wiper blades, we're going to want to put the wiper blades at service mode. In order to that, the camera will be on. You're not going to turn it completely off. From this point, you're going to put the wiper blade control arm, hold it up to miss, and hold it for 2 seconds. That's the service mode. Now we're going to service the wiper blade. You're going to want to pull this arm completely straight up. There's a small tab here that you're going to lift, and then you're going to push it down and pop it out. Be careful to place this completely down on the glass by yourself, otherwise it may fall and shatter the glass. From there, after you get a new wiper blade, you're going to pull it back on. Lift up this tab, pull up the arm, and slide it back on. Maybe. Now that we have serviced the wiper blades, we're going to want to take them out of service mode. In order to do that, we're going to want to put it in accessory mode, hit the button twice to do that. Alright, now you're going to lift this control arm up once, and they go right back down.